I shared this milk on my Instagram stories with you guys because we just picked it up at Save on Foods, and oh my goodness, it's so good. I was not expecting it to be as sweet because it is meant for coffee and it like comes in such a big thing, but I just frothed it up in our Nespresso frother, and I put it on a regular cup of French press coffee and it frothed up so nice. The foam is so beautiful, and I added cinnamon on top. I did add my collagen, and it looks so pristine.
And since it's Sunday morning, I thought we would make some pancakes, so maybe you guys would like to know about what kind of pancakes we have.
Perfect, exactly. Normally I would make us the Kodak cakes, the protein pancakes, but lately I have been using this Bob's Red Mill pancake mix. It's gluten-free, but the pancakes come out so fluffy, and I just really love the flavor of them, so we've been opting for this. I just feel like gluten-free is making my tummy a little bit better than regular stuff, and we had a very indulgent breakfast, if you guys saw that last weekend, both days, so we're just keeping it simple with these today. And then Cody has bacon in the oven. So the lighting is trash out here, but we're eating on the patio. This is our completed Sunday brunch. Looks so good. It's 3 o'clock. I like sat out on the patio and just kind of enjoyed the sun. It's so warm out. I was getting way too warm to like wear sweatpants and stuff, so I had to change into like shorts and a t-shirt. It felt so good, but I decided that I would come in and get ready. I'm gonna put like a little bit of makeup on, give you guys a little bit of an Amazon haul, and then I'm going to paint my nails because this vlog is centered around self-care and kind of the things that I'm doing to occupy my time, but also that make me feel a lot better. I did do like tanning and my full like shower routine last night. If you guys have seen, like, I'll link my shower routine video down below along with the video that I did recently, which is like my extra beauty routine, so like all my hair removal, just all the things that I like to do to make myself feel as best as I can. I figured I wouldn't bore you with all of that stuff because I've shown it so many times, and I even posted a TikTok on it. So anyway, in this video I thought I would share with you guys how I like to do my nails, all my favorite nail products, because that's something I don't really talk about. But before we get into all of that in the Amazon haul, I'm quickly going to put on some makeup to make myself feel better, and also because I think that I need to stop tanning my face because I feel like that's what's making me break out. I'm also trying some new products and also not eating the best, as I'm sure most of us can relate to. So that's why I have a lot of bigger pimples on my face, which is like so rad. But anyway, yeah, so I want to put on some makeup because my body doesn't match my face, and I can fix that with makeup. So while I fast forward and do my makeup, I wanted to just quickly mention that I have absolutely been loving Dua Lipa's new album, Future Nostalgia. It is so good. It is so hype. It just makes me want to dance. I've listened to it so many times. I love it. My favorite songs on here are Levitating, Hallucinate, Break My Heart, and then I have to say Don't Start Now, because I choreographed to dance to it. But anyway, yeah, this album is fire. It is so good. It's very hype, it's very happy, and it's so great. So if you haven't listened to it, get on it. It's so good. So my makeup is done now. The only thing I have left to do is dry shampoo, because I was gonna curl my hair, but then I brushed it out and I kind of like the way it looked. Oh, it smells so good. And I just decided to not, because I'm not going anywhere. So, oh my god. This is the Argan Oil of Morocco dry shampoo from OGX. Oh, that smells so good. This scent in particular from OGX is so nostalgic for me. It reminds me of like middle school, because I feel like that's when I first discovered OGX, or maybe high school, but like the classic blue shampoo and conditioner of the Argan Oil Morocco. Oh, it smells so good. It reminds me of like summer of grade 9 or something. I don't know. Not that that was like a good summer. Maybe it was. I don't know. Can't remember. Anyway, let's move on to the Amazon haul. I placed an order on Amazon because that's like the best place to shop right now. I'm trying to not shop as much, but I figured I would share with you these things. Some of them had been in my cart for a while and I just decided to do it so then I could show you. So the first thing I got, an abundance of, apparently. I did not expect this many to come. They're basically like flat little hair clips. I was just wearing them, that don't crease your hair. And I have like a bunch of crocodile clips that look like this. But they still like kink your hair. Yeah, they still like kink your hair. And so I wanted to try out these flat clips, but you get so many of them. They come in a pack of 4, but I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So I'm good on those, and they work really well. They're cute. They come in black with 1 white and then a pink. So that's the first thing I picked up that had been in my cart for a while. The next thing were these little acne spots. They're the Rael, I think that's how you say it, Beauty Miracle Patch Invisible Spot Dot. I've seen so many people talk about acne spot treatments in dot sticker form. And so I got this, already opened it because I wanted to try it on this spot last night, and I definitely think it reduced it. Obviously it's still there and I had to like do my best to cover it up, but like not bad. It was really cool. It's supposed to turn white when you can take it off after 4 to 8 hours. I just left it on overnight, but I forgot that I self-tanned my face like a little bit. I did my spray mist, and so when I took it off it was white, because obviously that part didn't tan. But anyway, I really like it, so I'm gonna try them out. It's really interesting. I'll open the package to show you guys. And I don't know if this is the brand that everyone has been talking about, but if you've tried them and you like them, let me know which like brand they were down below, but these are the ones I found. So they come in 2 different sizes. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that, but there's like the bigger ones and the smaller ones, which is cool. So you just like clean the area, dry it, and then you choose a patch that fits, put it on, press it on for 2 to 3 seconds, and then wear it for 4 to 8 hours. It's very clear. You can't tell at all. It's so much different than using like the Mario Badescu drying spot lotion, because obviously that's so visible. So like these are pretty cool. So I'll let you guys know how I continue to like those, but so far I definitely feel like it has reduced it. This is a really big spot, so I'll probably wear another one tonight. The next thing I picked up is kind of boring, but super essential, because my card reader on my computer was not reading, so I had to pick up a little USB SD card reader, and so I got this one. It's very little, just plugs into your computer and you can have your SD card for your cameras. Seems to be working just fine, so that's good. The next thing I did pick up is something I would normally buy at London Drags, but obviously I'm not going out shopping, so I found it on Amazon, thank God, because I love this product and I don't like living without it, and I've been without it for probably about a month now. It's the Bioderma Hydra Bio Serum. It is so good for dehydrated skin. I love it so much. It's just like a nice clear thick serum. I'm working on a Vichy serum at the moment, so I'm hoping to like use that one up and go through that one before I start this one, because that would be the responsible thing to do. So stay tuned for that. And the last thing I picked up on Amazon is something I feel like everyone has, and I just never owned one because I had a Clarisonic massage attachment. I just never thought that it would be necessary for me to have a jade roller or rose quartz facial roller, but I decided to pick one up, and I'm really glad I did. I get so puffy. My face is one of the like first signs of like bloating and stuff, and especially my cheeks. I notice such a big difference when I massage my face, and sometimes when I don't want to pull out my Clarisonic, or if I'm like not with my Clarisonic, if I'm traveling, I'll just like actually take my fingers and like massage my face, and it's insane how much it depuffs. So I figured getting a jade roller would be the smart move, and I just feel like it's a nice like self-care thing, because it's cold. If you keep it in the fridge, you can just roll it up. Oh, it feels so good. It also came with I think it's gosha, I don't know how you say it, but it's like one of these rose quartz stones that you can also use to depuff. Need to look this up a little bit more and see how I can use it. I've seen so many people use it, but I really need to like look up a tutorial or something. But pick those up. I'm very glad I did. This feels so nice on the skin, and it has made such a difference, I notice, in my puffy skin in the morning. So that feels really nice. Really glad I got that finally. And that is everything that I picked up from Amazon this time around. I do have another package coming with some curtain liners and some spray paint. So stay tuned for that video. But anyway, I'll have a link to all these things that I mentioned down below. we might be spending the whole video just in this spot. But I wanted to walk you guys through my little like manicure that I'm going to be doing and talk about all my prep, because this is something I've never talked about. And my nails have gotten a lot better. I used to get them done, get like gel and stuff, but ever since I stopped doing that probably about a year ago and have been taking more collagen, my nails have grown so much. And I used to be a nail biter, so this is like really awesome. So I did prep my nails last night because I knew I was going to do this today. So I took off my polish with acetone, I soaked them in some water, and then pushed back my cuticles with a little cuticle pusher thing. And then I used the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails hardener. This one's really good. It's very thick, but I feel like it does a really good job. If you're looking to strengthen your nails, this is a really good product. And then I just like file my nails normally with like a little file. I have this little cuticle scissor grabber thing for like hangnails and like other things. So I kind of like pushed back my cuticles and got rid of what I could. I'm not very good at that, but they look a little bit better. And for cuticle oil, this is something that I have been trying to do more of lately because my cuticles are very dry. So I really like this one from Sally Hansen. It's their Color Therapy nail and cuticle oil. It's really good. And then I also keep this L'Occitane one. It's their Nourishing Nail and Cuticle Oil by my desk. So I just have it with like my lip balm and stuff. And so every time I like apply lip balm while I'm like editing and stuff, I'll also apply some of this because it's really good and it's a nice little brush tip. You just squeeze it and then put it on. Very nice. So yeah, I really like all of these products and I'm glad that I prepped them last night so then I can go in and do some fun nail art today. So now that we have more time on our hands, I thought it would be fun to try something different. I did some nail art a couple weeks ago and I really liked the way it turned out and it actually lasted a really long time. So I'm going to try something different today, add a little bit more color. So this is the picture I'm going to go off of for inspo. If you want to check out my Pinterest, I'll have it linked down below. I love pinning nail art. Not all of it I can accomplish, but I have an array of polishes here that I'm going to use. So I have a black and a yellow from the new Essie Expressi line. These are like fast drying ones. I also for the polka dots, I have a little toothpick here. I also have a like fun, it's not really coral, it's more like a cherry red. This one is called She's Pampered from Essie. And then I have Dimensions also from Essie. The Gel Couture line is my favorite. Actually, I should show you the polish that I wear the most often. This is hands down my favorite go-to polish from Essie. I have a couple bottles of it, but it's 138 Pre-Show Jitters. It is so good. It lasts such a long time on your nails. And I love white nail polish, so had to mention that because I feel like I don't talk about it, but this is the color I'm wearing the most. And then this is a close second. I've recently been wearing Almond Tan by Sally Hansen. This is their new vegan pure line. It's really nice. So I have those colors. So I'm going to use the yellow, the black, the blue, the pink, coral, whatever, and the nude. And then I brought out white because I decided I don't know if I want to do black spots or white dots. I'll probably do black, but yeah. And I do have that hardener on, so I don't think I'm going to do a base coat. I think I'm just going to go for it. We're going to see how this goes. The yellow is a little bit more on the sheer side, so I'm just going over it with a double layer because I don't think I'm going to do second coats on any of them. Here's what they look like right now. Last color we're going to go in with is the red. For the dots, I think I am going to go with white over black because the red, that is actually red, not coral, is a lot darker than I was thinking it would be. So I think I'll just keep it on the lighter side with the white. And for the dots, all I'm going to do is take a little bit of the polish, put it onto the little piece of paper here, and use a toothpick to make the dots. Here is the pretty well finished manicure. I'm going to wait for the dots and the rest of the polish to just like completely dry before I go in with the top coat so I don't smudge anything. It's obviously very different than the picture, but that's just what happens with art when you're like getting inspired by other things. It doesn't turn out quite the same, but it's still cool and it's your own take on it. So if you guys try any nail art or like recreate this or, you know, do anything cool with your nails, send me a picture, tag me on Instagram, and I'll repost a bunch of them. But yeah, it's kind of fun. I haven't worn like a red on my nails in a very long time, so fun and different. Here's a look at the finished nails with the top coat all dried. They look pretty good, like a lot better than I thought when I was first doing the red. I didn't know if it was gonna turn out okay, but they look pretty cute. So it's about 1:22 in the afternoon. Welcome to Monday. I have been sitting at this desk editing for the past couple hours. I had a body bloom to get in my system to help you know, with bloating and stuff, because Cody and I had some drinks last night. We were on Zoom for about 6 hours with our friends celebrating our friend Natalie's birthday, which was really fun. We hadn't seen a lot of them in a while, obviously, so it was nice to catch up, but I can't believe we were on there for 6 hours. It went by so fast. We played a couple of those Jackbox games, which was super fun. We did a drinking game, and it was just a good old time, and we stayed up pretty late doing that. So we slept in today. I'm just editing the vlog and stuff. If you guys saw the little intro I made, I thought that was kind of fun, and I'll probably include that for the rest of the vlogs because why not? And then it about came time to make myself a coffee. So I have an espresso here that I'm going to drink, and I also have some overnight oats that I'm going to be munching on, and I'm just gonna watch some YouTube videos, and that's pretty much all I've been up to the past couple hours. I should also mention that I did use another one of those acne patches on this spot last night, and I feel like it definitely reduced it a little bit more. It's really flat. It's still like underground a bit, but it didn't ever like, you know, peak or come to a head, which is nice. So I feel like maybe that worked. It looks way redder on camera than it is in real life, but yeah, definitely a lot flatter, so that's good. So I remember that I own a humidifier, and Cody and I have been waking up with like a little bit of a dry throat lately, and so I'm gonna put it in our bedroom tonight and see if that helps. But I wanted to pull it out and see if it would help my plants. So I have it set up here, and I have my pothos, I think that's what it is, and then my little rubber plant over here, and I'm just like letting them chill with the humidifier and see if it works. Who knows? Not me, but we're gonna try it. It's about 4:45 now, and I'm just making us some quesadillas because we went on a little walk and did some work, and then we just had some carrots and truffle hummus. So good. But I'm still hungry, so I decided that I was gonna make us quesadillas because this is usually the time that I would normally eat lunch anyway, and we'll have dinner like a little bit later. I feel like I keep saying this, but these are things that I don't normally make and don't usually have the ingredients at home. But during these times, I thought it sounded really good, and it's quick and easy to make, and tastes really good, and it's comforting. So it's just a sun-dried tomato tortilla with cheese and some arugula. Really, really basic. There you go, yours is done. I just had a look out the window, and the moon is so bright and so full. So I'm just popping on here to end the vlog. I didn't really do much like on-camera self-care stuff today, although I did some off-camera. I cried, I went for a walk. Cody obviously came with me for that. I had a nap. I did other things. I just kind of needed a day to like do more chill things and not vlog it. So hopefully you guys understand. We're just, well, Cody's making us dinner. I'm waiting for the laundry to be done so I can fold it. Also, FYI, the humidifier got like everything soaking wet. I'm such an idiot. I hadn't used that humidifier in so long, and it just like soaked everything, so we had to wipe everything off and like clean it off. But I think one of my tasks tonight, once I get this video done, is to like reorganize my shelf in my studio, and then also the counter or the dresser top, because that seems like a fun thing to do. Anyway, just wanted to end the vlog. I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know again how you're doing in the comments down below. Today I woke up and realized that it was like day 22 or something crazy like that. This is like going into our 4th week of being inside, and that's a little daunting, not gonna lie. Like, my emotions were obviously all over the place today for, you know, that, but also for other personal reasons. And so yeah, I feel like this week is going to be a little bit more difficult than previous, but that's okay. We can handle it, we can do it. We're gonna try our best. Going for the walk really helped, and I think we're gonna try and continue that at least once a day or so, because that felt really nice. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I truly mean it when I say I hope you're doing well. I hope you're trying to find the positivity in this situation, because that's truly what's getting me through and helping me through the days, even if every day isn't perfect or productive. So love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.